Hello everyone, it is Nails by Loretta here, and I am popping on real quick to share with you my mystery boxes that I purchased from Young Nails. This is the package, this is how it arrived. Also inside this package are some additional items that I purchased from Young Nails. But what I'm sharing with you again is this semi unboxing of the mystery box letter A and mystery box letter B. Everything came packaged really nicely. There were no issues, no concerns. So we're just going to jump right into box letter A. Now everyone has already posted their videos of the unboxing, and of course you guys may be familiar with box letter A, which contained 8 of the ManiQ Gel Polishes, as well as the top coat and the base coat. And this box was $30, and the products were to be valued over $100, and I believe that this box was definitely worth more than $100 because you have a whole kit. Now for mystery box B, again, everybody has already posted all of their unboxing, and these boxes are all the same. So mystery box letter B contained 10 containers of the slick pour, which is used for their dipping system, or you can use it as a standalone acrylic powder, guys. And this was definitely worth more than the $30 that I spent for the mystery box. So overall, I am definitely pleased with the Young Nails mystery boxes. Now guys, if you would like to see a video of the other items that I purchased, leave me a comment below. Also, please like as well as subscribe if you guys want to see more videos. So until the next video, guys, keep nailing them, and I'll see you later. Bye.